In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete your Manychat account. Whether you're stepping back from marketing automation tools or just looking to clear up unused applications, deleting your Manychat account is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. First things first, you'll need to head over to Manychat and log into your account using your normal login credentials. It might help to keep your password handy if you have it stored elsewhere, just to make the login process a bit smoother. Once you're logged in, look for the settings option. This will typically be found in the menu on your dashboard, so navigate there. The settings function is where you'll find most of the account management options. Once you're in the settings area, look for a section labeled General. This is generally where you manage the core parts of your account. Be sure to give yourself a moment to familiarize yourself with this section if you're not already accustomed to it. Below the General section, you should find an option that says Delete. Before you click that delete button, it's very important to consider what it means. Deleting your account is irreversible, so make sure this is something you truly want to do. When you're sure, go ahead and click delete. At this point, Manychat will require you to remove all connected channels to proceed with the account deletion. This includes any Facebook pages or other channels linked to your Manychat account. Click on the channel you need to remove. This step is crucial as you won't be able to delete your account without doing this first. Scroll down the page and you will see a remove button beside an option that says remove Facebook page from Manychat account. Click this button to disconnect the specific Facebook page or channel. Manychat will ask you to confirm that you understand the implications of these changes. You'll see several radio buttons on the screen. Make sure to check them all to verify you truly understand the reversal. Following this, you'll be asked to type the word remove to officially confirm the disconnection. It's kind of like a password confirmation to ensure you're making a deliberate decision. Once done, you can head back to settings and select delete account once again. Finally, type delete to permanently erase your Manychat account, and there you have it. By following these steps, you can be sure that your Manychat account has been successfully and permanently deleted. Remember to double check that you've saved any data you might need in the future before completing the deletion. Thank you for following along, and I hope this helps.